Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. In today's class, we are here to discuss about Hadoop. As organizations are dealing with large volumes of data, performing the functions like storing, processing has become a tedious task. Hence, tools like Hadoop have come up as a solution. Hadoop is one of the most commonly used technical terms in the big giant organizations, multinational companies like Google, Facebook. It is a popular tool used for data storage and analysis. The data analysts used this software to handle the large volumes of data, with a constant increase in the market size. Are you one of the Hadoop enthusiasts who is looking to get deeper knowledge in Hadoop? I know you must be super excited to learn about Hadoop concepts. This video will help you know what is Hadoop, why Hadoop is popular, components in Hadoop architecture, and careers in Hadoop. I am sure you will gain knowledge on the basics of Hadoop by the end of this video. But, before we proceed, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Hadoop? Hadoop is an open source framework by Apache. It is designed to perform distributed processing of large datasets across the different clusters of computers by utilizing simple programming models. Rather than using a single large computer to store and process the large volumes of data, Hadoop allows clustering of multiple computers to perform the processing parallelly. Due to its extensibility, there is a significant growth in the Hadoop ecosystem. Hence, Hadoop is now holding multiple tools and applications that help in collecting, storing, analyzing and managing the data. The first release of Apache Hadoop was on April 1, 2006, created by Doug Cutting and Mike Caffarella. Hadoop is a unique tool and most efficient when compared to the other available tools and technologies like Snowflake, Cloudera, Google Cloud BigQuery. Features of Hadoop. Now, let's discuss the features of Hadoop that makes Hadoop a powerful big data tool. Open source. Hadoop is an open source tool that is free to use, and is available on the internet, for everyone who would like to make the changes as per their requirements. Scalability. The large volumes of data are divided into machines in Hadoop. Hadoop allows parallel processing of the machines present in the cluster, increased or decreased based on the organizational requirements. Flexible. Hadoop is capable of dealing with all kinds of datasets like structured and unstructured data in an efficient manner. Faster data processing. Hadoop Distributed File System is used for the storage management in Hadoop. All the multiple file blocks in the cluster will be parallelly executed. Easy to use. The processing work will be managed by Hadoop itself, eliminating the workload for the developers. Why is Hadoop popular? Hadoop is a widely used tool in large organizations. Let us discuss the reasons behind its usage. Storage and processing. Hadoop is capable of storing and processing large volumes of data, in a distributed environment faster, when compared with the traditional database systems. Decision making. Hadoop provides real-time analytics that further helps in making precise decisions for the enhancement of the operations within the organization. Data analysis. Hadoop allows to store the data and apply the filters based on the requirements for data analysis. Node availability. Hadoop allows to add or decrease the nodes, hence dynamic in nature. It will also allow the organizations to work on increased volumes of data. Protection mechanism. Hadoop includes a protection mechanism that helps in preventing the applications from getting attacked with hardware failures. Hadoop architecture. Now let's get a bit deeper into the topic and discuss the key components of Hadoop that form the Hadoop architecture. The two main layers in the Hadoop architecture are computation or processing layer. Storage layer. Let's discuss each of them now. MapReduce. In short, MapReduce is a parallel programming model that is designed for writing distributed applications to process large volumes of data. The MapReduce program will be running on Hadoop. Hadoop Distributed File System (HDFS). In simple terms, we can say that a Hadoop distributed file system is a storage unit, which divides the data into multiple blocks, which are further distributed randomly, across the machines in the cluster. We will discuss more on these components in the next videos. Apart from these, there are other two components, Hadoop Common. These include the Java libraries and utilities that are needed by other Hadoop components. Hadoop Yarn. Hadoop Yarn is a framework that is responsible for scheduling the jobs and cluster resource management. Let us discuss about the career with Hadoop. There are a wide range of opportunities available for Hadoop aspirants. The Hadoop experts are obtaining good salaries due to its high demand in the market. You will be unique among many. The average salary paid for a Hadoop expert is 5.5 lakh per annum. I think you have now got an idea about Hadoop and its careers. If you are looking for a strong career, then Hadoop is one among the booming technologies. Give us a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching our videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about the upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon. For latest updates and blogs, follow our social media platforms. If you are interested to learn Hadoop and prosper your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.